are back, baby, and I don't think you lot are ready for today's video. I've got some things that you lot have never seen before. Today we are reacting to what I would call is the UK Ghost Rider, aka known as Mr. Woods 666. I'll leave all his links down in the description, and his Instagram's up here as well if you want to go follow. But he has some crazy content that we are going to be reacting to today, and as the video goes on, it's going to get more and more crazy. It's already crazy from the beginning, but it gets more and more crazy as we go on. So today we're reacting to Mr. Woods, the UK Ghost Biker. But before we do jump into this is that crazy that I do have to tell you lot, please do not try this at home. Please do not recreate anything that you do see in today's video. Anything you do see, make sure you follow all your local road laws. And without further ado, let's jump into what might be the craziest police interaction, chases, riding you will ever see on YouTube. Make sure you do smash that subscribe button. Make sure you also smash that bell button as well to be informed about new videos that we have coming, because the videos are coming are absolutely insane. So without further ado, let's jump into this. All links down in the description for Mr. Woods. Let's go. Right, we're straight in on it.
Types of people driving this fast: cops and criminals.
Look at him. Look at him. He's made him turn the lights off. I want you lot to buckle in like right now and be prepared for the content that we're gonna watch today. It gets so crazy and more happens, and just look at the first thing that we watched. The content is that crazy that the police are giving up. If you don't know what bike he's riding a Ninja H2, which I think they're now from like 2014. This bike is, what, over 10 years old, and they still look like brand new today. One of the faster production motorcycles to ever come out of the showroom. Still one of the most craziest motorcycles you can buy today. And anyone who knows anything about bikes is, you know the fact no one's catching a H2. Like, you might as well just sit back and watch the show with a H2. So if you want to know what he's riding, it's a Kawasaki Ninja Bomberclat H2. That's what it is. It's a Bomberclat H2. One of the greatest. You can just hear it. You can hear it. Even through whatever GoPro 4 this is filmed on. Look how he's revving that bike out. That bike is being pushed to its limit. This is a crazily fast bike, and he's pushing the bike to his limits. He's still got more to go mentally. He's still going mentally. The bike's trying to fight for his life. Bro, listen to it. Listen to it. Listen to the sound of the H2. He's just gone Uno reverse. Right in the police's faces. They're running, they're blue lighting wherever they're going, and he's just gone straight past them, mate. He's gone. There's no point in them even thinking. They might as well just let him go. Let him go. There's no point even thinking. Let's just watch this again. I want to watch this one more time. Listen to it. Right, he's chasing the police.
Holy shit!
This is just this is just tormentation. Ah, listen to it. Look and listen. Even he wasn't even on the throttle then. This is someone who knows and someone who understands their bike, to be able to sit there and let the police daunder for a little bit. If they want to call the helicopter, call the helicopter. There's someone who knows how powerful their bike is, and knows no matter what you throw at him, a helicopter or stingers, he's got a route. Everyone says you can't outrun radios, but H2 can run out on radios. Bro. I know people are gonna comment down below, this is reckless, this is dangerous, it is. You can say it as it is. At the end of the day, no one's arguing with the fact it's not dangerous to the extent it is. But it is fucking cool. It is sick. Yeah, I can't even fight with the comments on this one. I'll let you have your piece and your talks and stuff, but it's cool. At least put a little comment and say it's cool, but it's reckless, and that is dangerous, but it is a little bit cool. I know I'm gonna get comments like, "There's nothing cool about reckless driving." If he didn't have a, I don't know if you can see this. I'll try to pause it. He's got like a gyro. It's called a gyro. It keeps the handlebar stable. If he didn't have that, if you look at the video, you can see the bars like wanting to shake, but the fact he's got a gyro is allowing the bike. So there's stuff in the road, you have bumps, you have your paint, you have your cat's eyes, the stuff that are gonna throw off that front wheel and cause you to have speed wobble. Right, we've got no audio for this one. Yet again, someone who understands their bike. He's just telling them no. Don't even bother. He understands he's on a Ninja H2. Don't even bother chasing me. Don't even try. Just you enjoy your day. You don't waste your petrol that you just got and filled up your car with. You're not catching me. You're just gonna waste your time. You saw it there. He just pointed down his bike. H2. Read it. H2. Another one. They know best. Sometimes there's no point even bothering, because if they chase, it could end up with him getting killed, or even possibly them for even bothering chasing. They know they're not going to catch him, whether it's a straight line or a different situation. If they do try chase, it's going to make him run. If they don't chase, it's going to make him chill. Simple as that is. If they don't chase him, he's not going to run, and he's not going to go fast speeds to get away. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Reload it. There's a car in the way. He tells the car to move out the way to come chase me. And then he blows my gears. And then you can tell he's, oh yeah, he's just about to go off. He doesn't show you the rest, but he's about to leave, and he's gone into dust. He's gone into dust. This is crazy. But at least there's respect there. He blew him the kids. He said hi, and then he said bye. Bro, it's crazy to see the speed. The speed that he's coming past is crazy. I don't know if you lot have ever been in the car and the bike's come past you. It feels mental. Okay, this is where we get like things that get a bit dangerous. Look at that. So you're going fast. There's, like I said, your reacting times become less. Oof. But if you actually look at his Instagram post, he says, "I'm at fault," and he says 3 out of 10 would not recommend. there is that 3 part that is I'll do it, but there's out of 10, maybe not. As much as you can be the best rider possible, you can never predict what anybody's going to do on the road. Get someone who moves from lane 1 to lane 4 without any indication, who just flies over, and they don't see you coming at 150. It doesn't matter, they're in the wrong for zooming across all lanes when all the other lanes are open. Okay, here's another one of lesson. This one's a 1 out of 10. We'll see what this is. Oh, car on a blind. Well, yeah, it wasn't a turn, but it quickly became a turn when you're doing 70 or 80. Definitely more than 70 or 80. I retract my statement on 70 or 80. 90. Yeah, that's just one of them. Cars coming out. You can see it start to come out. And too late by then. It's end of the day. But he's a skilled rider, so we got past them all. This is just him racing the police. Let me know down in the comments, what is better? Is Ghost Rider better or is Mr. Woods better? I wonder how many lists of incidents this guy has on his like record of like the H2 record. They must have like H2, this chase, this chase, this chase, this chase, this chase. Bro, look at the camera will never do this justice. I'm just gonna let you guys watch this for a second. This is crazy. They're all, it's not like he's posting the same videos. They're all separate police chases. This is that one guy. They've got I know the police have got a picture of a H2 in their office, just stamped there, and they're like trying to piece everything together. So we've had this we've had the same scenario, but a different police chase. We've had him moving a car out the way on another police chase of the same H2. How his life is like it's like GTA. I'm gonna let you guys watch this one. Watch how crazy. Bro. Bro. I'm getting goosebumps and I'm not even riding the bike. Imagine like I said, you can comment reckless this, that, the other, but imagine riding and feeling that feeling. Bro. Another one telling them to call the helicopter. He's violating. The thing is with the helicopters, the H2 is still gonna outrun them. The H2 does 210 miles an hour. Or whatever it is. I'm pretty sure helicopters can only chase up to 140, so I know there's curves and roads, but as long as you've got a long straight road with a H2, a helicopter eventually is not going to be able to keep up. Listen to the H2. Replay that again. Oh! Tell me where you're seeing stuff like this from a single rider. Nowhere. Other than Ghost Rider. Because I think this is crazier than Ghost Rider. He's got lane splitting next to police. Just tormenting them. He's just tormenting them. Okay. I'm just sitting back watching at this point. Crazy chases. Okay, so he's seen a police biker. What do you think he's gonna do? He's spun around on the motorway. He's gone on the same motorway as the police biker. The police biker knows. He heard that. They heard the supercharger. And he's like, nah. But yo, thank you guys for watching. There's still so much more with Mr. Woods content out there. But we filmed a video. We filmed a whole video and it's been craziness and it's been non-stop and it's still more. If you want a part 2, make sure you do subscribe and hit that bell button as well. If you want to see more crazy content, make sure you do like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you lot in the next video. Peace out. Boom. Get flashbanged. Bow.